In this video, we're going to learn how to request an approval with Collevate using your organization's template. First, log into Collevate with your Google Workspace account. For this demo, I'll be using my Collevate test account. After logging in, go to the Template menu. There, you will be able to see the list of templates that's been already added by the Collevate administrator in your organization under the Domain Shared Templates tab. Please click on the form, then click the Use Template button on top right to create a copy of the template. The exact same copy of the template will be automatically created to your Google Workspace My Drive. After the template is fully loaded, you can start filling out the form in the editor screen. When all of the required information has been input, now you will have to attach the related documents for your form. On the right, please click on the File List menu. Then click Add Files. You can choose to upload files from your computer or your Google Drive. After uploading all the related attachments to your approval, you have to designate the reviewers. All of the reviewers that pop up in this tab are synced with your Google Workspace organization chart. If someone you need does not come up in this tab, please contact your Google Workspace administrator. Now, before you submit your approval request, please check if all of the information has been written correctly. And if there's nothing else to edit, click Start Process to submit your form for an approval. If your approval has been sent successfully, you will be able to see a message after a few seconds. FYI, this brief delay is not a lagging glitch. Rather, it is processing the document to be securely stored in your Document Manager's Drive, as previously mentioned. Now let's see how the reviewers can approve. After submission, both the submitter and the first reviewer will receive notifications from Collevate via email, Slack, or Google Chat. Let's focus on the first reviewer's account in Collevate. First, click on the process, then go to the To Be Reviewed menu. We can see the first reviewer received the approval. Click on the approval you need to approve. After reviewing the document, you can click Approve or Reject to continue this approval process to the next step. Now let's look at how it works through your email. When you receive the email, you'll see three buttons: Review, Approve, or Reject. By clicking Review, you can open the approval form directly in Collevate, or you can make your decision right from the email by clicking Approve or Reject. Lastly, for Slack users, you'll also receive messages on Slack. Similar to Gmail, you can review and approve the form directly from your Slack message.